If you want to export just a selected portion of audio as an MP3 in Audacity, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to take only the part you highlighted and save it as an MP3 file, instead of exporting the entire project. This is really useful when you only need one clip, one section, or a specific part of a recording. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Audacity tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in Audacity and make sure the audio you want is already on the timeline. Before exporting anything, you need to highlight the exact section you want to save. To do that, click and drag across the waveform until the part you want is selected. You'll know it's selected when that section is highlighted. Take a moment here to make sure your selection starts and ends exactly where you want it, because Audacity will export only that range. Once your audio selection is ready, go up to the top menu and click File. This is where all the export options are located. From the File menu, click Export Audio. Audacity will now open the export window where you can choose how and what you want to save. In some versions, you may also see an option that says Export to Computer, so go ahead and click that if it appears on your screen. Now look for the Export Range section. This part is very important because it controls whether Audacity exports the full project or only your selected audio. In the export range area, choose Current Selection. This tells Audacity to export only the highlighted clip instead of the entire track or timeline. If you skip this step, you may end up saving more audio than you intended, so double check that Current Selection is selected. After that, move to the Format box. Click on it and choose MP3 files. This sets the output format so your exported audio will be saved as an MP3, which is one of the most common and widely supported audio formats. MP3 is great because it keeps file sizes manageable while still giving you good sound quality for sharing, uploading, or storing clips. Once the format is set, take one last look at your export settings to make sure everything is correct. Your selection should still be highlighted, the export range should be set to current selection, and the format should be MP3 files. When you're ready, click Export. Audacity will then save just that selected portion as an MP3 file on your computer. Depending on your version of Audacity, you may be prompted to enter file details like metadata or tags before the export finishes. If that happens, you can fill them in or continue through the prompt to complete the save. After that, your MP3 file will be created and you'll have exactly the audio clip you wanted. And that's it. You've now learned how to export a selected audio range as an MP3 in Audacity. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and it can save you a lot of time when you only need one section of a recording. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step software guides, and I'll see you in the next video.